and behavioral culture. Behavioral culture. What do you think behavioral culture is about?
Actually, American behavior culture maybe the eating culture, eating behaviors, or the police code behavior, better higher.
The what?
Eating behavior or the police code or
Sport?
religion or something, lifestyle.
Okay. Well, behavior, any other idea about behavior culture? Real basic idea of what it is. Socialization. So how you get socialized. Now, what is the result of your socialization? It can be customs, it can be practices that we identify. Okay, so they're all, it's what we know about life that gets us through our days. Because what we're going to go, I'll be talking about the idea of culture as a kind of a container of information. So that's the behavioral culture. We'll talk a lot about that.